Dr. Ethan Cole emphasizes that while fruit is an important part of a healthy diet, not all of it is suitable for men over 60. Some fruits can have a negative impact on testosterone levels, blood circulation, and sexual performance, especially when consumed frequently or pre-processed. Canned fruit and syrup is one of the main culprits. Although convenient and attractive, they often contain high amounts of sugar, including high fructose corn syrup or juice concentrate, which rapidly increases insulin levels in the blood. When insulin increases, the body tends to reduce testosterone production, while also causing inflammation of the blood vessels, directly affecting blood circulation and erectile ability. Dried fruits such as raisins, dates, or prunes should also be limited. While many people see them as a healthy alternative to candy, the sugars in dried fruit are very concentrated and lack fiber, causing blood sugar spikes, testosterone drops, and can easily lead to belly fat accumulation, reduced energy, and reduced sexual health. Overripe bananas are another fruit to be cautious of. Their high simple sugar content can cause insulin spikes, which can lower testosterone and affect hormone balance, leaving the body feeling tired and lacking in energy. Finally, conventional, if not organic, commercial grapes often carry pesticide residues that mimic estrogen, which can reduce natural testosterone, increase prostate inflammation, and affect overall sexual health. Overall, being aware of which fruits to avoid is an important step for older men to protect their hormones, maintain circulatory health, and maintain sexual health. Canned fruit and syrup, although convenient and attractive with eye-catching colors, has many potential health risks for men over 60. Most of these fruits are soaked in high fructose corn syrup or concentrated juice, creating a very high amount of simple sugars. When consumed, these simple sugars are absorbed quickly into the blood, leading to a sudden increase in insulin, thereby reducing testosterone levels and stimulating estrogen to increase, creating a serious hormonal imbalance. Increased insulin and blood sugar are also directly related to vascular inflammation and decreased production of nitric oxide, an important molecule that helps dilate blood vessels and maintain erections. When nitric oxide is reduced, blood flow to the penis is limited, reducing physiological quality and erectile ability. In addition, regular consumption of canned fruit is also associated with fatty liver, because excessive fructose is metabolized in the liver, forming fat deposits. The combination of high simple sugars, hormonal changes, and vascular inflammation can leave older men feeling tired, lacking energy, and lacking confidence in their sex lives. Dr. Ethan Cole emphasizes that, to maintain physiological health and stable hormones, men over 60 should completely limit canned fruit and syrup, instead prioritizing fresh fruit, low in sugar and rich in fiber, ensuring the body receives vitamins and minerals without negatively affecting testosterone and blood circulation. Dried fruits, including raisins, dates, and other dried fruits, are often considered a convenient and energy-rich choice. However, for men over 60, these fruits pose many risks to physiological health and hormones. The main reason is that the sugar concentration in dried fruits is very high, because the drying process dehydrates and concentrates natural sugars. At the same time, most of the fiber, an important factor in regulating sugar absorption, is significantly reduced. When consumed, sugar is absorbed quickly, causing a sudden increase in blood sugar, stimulating an increase in insulin, thereby reducing testosterone and causing hormonal imbalance. In addition to the sugar problem, many dried fruit products on the market also use preservatives, sulfites, or vegetable oils to prolong storage time and avoid sticking. These substances can hinder the absorption of important minerals, especially zinc, which plays an essential role in testosterone production, sperm health, and erectile function. Dr. Ethan Cole emphasizes that, although dried fruit is rich in vitamins and minerals, older men should consume it in moderation or choose unsweetened, preservative-free varieties, combined with fresh fruit and a balanced diet. This helps to stabilize hormones, maintain energy, and improve physiological health, while avoiding potential risks related to blood sugar and vascular inflammation. Bananas are a familiar and convenient fruit chosen by many people every day. However, for men over 60 years old, and especially those who care about hormones and physiological energy, bananas need to be consumed in a controlled manner. Overripened sweet bananas contain high levels of simple sugars, causing a sudden increase in insulin in the blood after eating. Prolonged insulin increase can indirectly reduce testosterone, an important hormone for sexual health, erection ability, and maintaining energy in older men. In addition, bananas also affect serotonin, a neurotransmitter related to feelings of happiness and relaxation. When consuming too many bananas, or at the wrong time, serotonin can increase excessively, causing feelings of fatigue, drowsiness, or lack of energy during the day. Dr. Ethan Cole recommends that if men want to eat bananas, they should choose bananas that are just ripe, eat in moderation, and combine them with foods rich in protein or fiber such as almonds or unsweetened yogurt. This helps stabilize blood sugar, reduce negative effects on testosterone, and maintain energy while still enjoying the flavor and nutritional benefits of bananas. Grapes are small, delicious, and antioxidant-rich fruits. But not all grapes are safe for men over 60. Many commercial grapes are heavily sprayed with pesticides during cultivation, and these chemicals have pseudoestrogenic properties. That is, they mimic the hormone estrogen in the body. When men consume grapes containing these residues regularly, their natural testosterone can be suppressed, leading to decreased libido, fatigue, and overall physiological health. Furthermore, uncontrolled grape consumption can increase belly fat and prostatitis due to adverse hormonal effects. Grapes also contain natural sugars, which if eaten in excess will increase insulin, indirectly affecting testosterone balance and energy. Dr. Ethan Cole recommends that men over 60 choose organic grapes, wash them thoroughly before eating, and only eat moderate amounts, about 6 to 8 grapes per day, if they want to take advantage of antioxidants while still reducing hormonal risks. Also, avoid bottled grapes or grapes that are too sweet, as high sugar levels further increase insulin and negatively impact male hormones. As men enter their 60s, their bodies begin to undergo natural physiological changes. Testosterone levels decline, blood circulation declines, erectile function, and overall physiological health can be affected. However, in addition to exercise and a healthy lifestyle, diet plays an extremely important role, and especially the choice of fruits rich in antioxidants and male hormone support. Here are 4 fruits that experts recommend daily, based on scientific evidence and clinical practice. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the most powerful fruits in terms of antioxidants. They are rich in anthocyanins, a plant compound that helps protect blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and protect testosterone from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a leading cause of low testosterone, fatigue, decreased libido, and cardiovascular health. Not only beneficial for hormones, anthocyanins also support neurological health. Research shows that regular consumption of blueberries helps improve alertness, concentration, and memory, which is especially important in men over 60, when cognitive function begins to decline. How to use: eat 1 to 2 cups of fresh blueberries every day, can be mixed into unsweetened yogurt, smoothies, or eaten directly as a healthy snack. Blueberries are also easy to store and convenient, suitable for daily eating habits. 2. Kiwi is a superfruit rich in vitamin C, which helps protect Leydig cells in the testicles, where testosterone is produced. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress in the testicles, thereby maintaining natural male hormone production. This helps protect the physiological health, desire, and energy of older men. In addition to vitamin C, kiwi also contains actinidin, an enzyme that aids in digestion and absorption of important nutrients such as zinc and magnesium. Zinc and magnesium are 2 essential minerals for testosterone production, improving sperm quality and maintaining muscle. How to use: eat 1 to 2 fresh kiwis a day, can be eaten directly, mixed in salads, or with yogurt. Eating kiwi in the morning or before meals helps the body absorb maximum nutrients. This is a light, low-calorie fruit, suitable for people who want to maintain weight and cardiovascular health. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon stands out thanks to its L-citrulline content, an amino acid that the body converts into L-arginine, thereby promoting increased nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is an important molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, improve blood circulation, especially to the genital area, thereby supporting natural erectile function. Unlike synthetic drugs, watermelon helps increase nitric oxide naturally and safely, without side effects on the heart or blood pressure. In addition to its circulatory benefits, watermelon is also rich in vitamins A, C, and lycopene, which support cardiovascular health, fight inflammation, and boost the immune system. Lycopene is especially beneficial for protecting the prostate, reducing the risk of inflammation or benign proliferative disorders. How to use: eat 1-2 pieces of fresh watermelon every day, preferably in the afternoon, to help the body absorb nutrients and retain water. Watermelon is also very easy to digest, helping to replenish water and electrolytes naturally without increasing pressure on the bladder. 4. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the most powerful fruits to protect testosterone and blood vessels. Many studies have shown that pomegranates contain punicalagin, an extremely powerful antioxidant compound, which helps reduce oxidative stress, protecting blood vessels and male hormones from damage. Oxidative stress is the main cause of decreased testosterone, increased inflammation, and impaired blood circulation. A clinical study in men showed that drinking pomegranate juice daily for several weeks improved erectile function and significantly increased salivary testosterone levels. In addition, pomegranates also support the cardiovascular system, reduce inflammation, and balance hormones, helping men feel healthier, more energetic, and confident. How to use: drink 1 to 2 cups of fresh pomegranate juice daily, or eat pomegranate seeds directly. Pomegranates can be combined in fruit salads, smoothies, or used as a nutritious snack. Combining blueberries, kiwi, watermelon, and pomegranate in the daily diet brings many benefits. Protects testosterone thanks to antioxidants and essential minerals. Improves blood circulation and supports natural physiological functions. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, the main factors causing physiological aging. Increases energy, alertness, and cardiovascular health. Improves overall mental and physical well-being. No need for complicated drugs or supplements. With just 4 simple, easy to find, and delicious fruits, men over 60 can protect their physiological health, increase testosterone, and maintain their daily performance and energy. Dr. Ethan Cole affirms, smart daily eating choices can change the health of older men in a miraculous way. As men enter their 60s, their bodies undergo natural physiological changes. Testosterone declines, blood circulation slows, and sexual health may decline. In this context, food choices, especially fruit, become more important than ever. Dr. Ethan Cole emphasizes that not all fruits are beneficial. Some can stimulate excessive insulin production or increase estrogen, which can negatively affect male hormones and circulation. In contrast, fruits rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and natural compounds such as anthocyanins, L-citrulline, and punicalagins will help protect testosterone, increase blood circulation, and maintain sexual health. For example, blueberries protect blood vessels and hormones from oxidative stress. Kiwis provide vitamin C and actinidin to optimize the absorption of important minerals. Watermelon increases natural nitric oxide to improve blood flow, and pomegranates reduce inflammation and enhance sexual function. The key is not perfection, just consistency. Eating a small portion every day, even 1 to 2 cups of fresh fruit or a few pomegranate seeds, if maintained regularly, can also have positive long-term effects. Consistency is more important than large quantities or eating a lot at once, because the body absorbs and regulates hormones best when nutrients are regularly and consistently replenished. In addition, sharing this knowledge with friends or relatives of the same age can also help raise awareness about older men's health, thereby building a community focused on smart eating, preventing physiological decline and cardiovascular problems. In summary, avoid canned fruit, dried fruit, overly sweet bananas, and commercial grapes. Prioritize blueberries, kiwi, watermelon, and pomegranates. When combined with smart eating habits, men over 60 can restore energy, increase testosterone, improve blood circulation, and maintain sustainable physiological health. This is a powerful message. Health is not luck, but the result of intentional choices. A little bit each day, but consistently and persistently.